Good morning everyone. Today we are going to talk about the physical of panic buying. First, let's look at some common things people buy, like broccoli, milk, and hair. Here is a fun question. Which of these is not a reason of panic buying? The answer is B. When the media says there is no shortage, it actually helps people feel clean. Here are also some common things people buy, like toilet paper, squid, and toast. At this page, panic buying during a crisis. Panic buying is a phenomenon that can happen in a community when there is a crisis or disaster. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many people rushed to supermarkets and bought large amounts of face masks, rubbing alcohol, and toilet paper. When people worry about not having enough supplies, they wait in long lines at stores and sometimes buy the maximum amount they can carry. This often cause store shelves to be empty, making the situation worse for others. In conclusion, panic buying is a common reaction during emergency, but it may make things harder for other people in the community.
This situation often occurs during emergencies. According to behavioral researchers, there are three key psychological reasons behind panic buying. First is anxiety. In times of crisis, people feel scared and uncertain. Buying supplies makes them feel more secure. Two is loss aversion. This means people are more afraid of losing something than they are excited to gain something new. So when they hear prices might go up or items may run out, they rush to buy just to avoid that loss. The third is herd mentality. When people see others buying in large amounts, they often join in without thinking if it's necessary or not. It's human nature to follow the crowd, especially during uncertain times. These three factors help explain why panic buying spreads so quickly.
Panic buying makes shortages worse and pushes prices up. Some people end up with too much, while others, especially the vulnerable, get nothing. To avoid this, we should stay calm, check facts, ignore rumors, and only buy what we need.
In this case, what happens because of panic buying? First, it drives prices up. When demand is high, sellers may raise prices. Second, it causes unequal distribution. Some people buy too much while others get nothing. In the end, panic buying makes the situation worse for everyone. So, what do you think causes panic buying? According to the passage, there are three main reasons. Can you name one? The answer is anxiety, loss aversion, and herd mentality. Anxiety makes us nervous, loss aversion makes us act fast, and herd mentality makes us follow the crowd.
I am going to introduce some idioms and phrases. The first one is stock up, which means to buy a large amount of something to prepare for the future. Before the typhoon arrived, many people rushed to the supermarket to stock up on food and water. And the second one is follow the crowd, which means to do what many other people are doing, often without thinking. He didn't really need toilet paper, but he followed the crowd and bought 10 packs. And the third one is drive up, which means to make something, like a price, go higher. The sudden panic buying drove up the price of face masks,